Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will teach you guys how to log in into Mohegan Sun account. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Mohegan Sun Login just like this, and after you search for it, first option where it says My Mohegan Sun Login, click on it and make sure it takes you to mohegansun.com, which is the official website of Mohegan. Now once you're in its official page, you can see the little login button over here. You want to click on it and then it's going to bring you to this page. And once you're in the login page, the first it asks you for username, just fill up your username. After you fill up your username, just click and continue, and on the next step it's going to ask you for the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, you should be able to log in into your Mohegan Sun account. And if you forgot your username, you can always click on this to recover them as well. So that's how you guys can log in into Mohegan Sun account. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.